In this video, you're going to learn how to search the Arizona Corporation Commission's business name database to find an Arizona limited liability company or an Arizona corporation and get information about the company and its members, managers, officers, directors, and statutory agent. We are Arizona limited liability company attorneys who have formed more than 5,800 LLCs. We created a series of videos that demonstrate how to use the Arizona Corporation Commission's website to search company names, complete ACC forms, and use the Corporation Commission's ecorp services and online filing system. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. If you have comments or questions about LLCs, put them in the comments section below. To access the Arizona Corporation Commission's name database so you can search for information about an Arizona LLC or corporation, go to the URL field in your browser, enter ecorp.azcc.gov/SEARCH, then hit enter. So the first thing I want to point out to you is you've got this field here called search for, and this is where you have some options. You can search for a company by selecting entity, or you can search for a statutory agent by selecting agent, or if you're looking for an officer, a director, or a member or manager, you select officer. So here we're going to search for a person or a company, so let's select entity. Now here in the search type field you have an option to search for terms or letters or words that start with whatever you enter into the name field, or you can select contains. So make the choice that's appropriate for the search that you want to do, and then in the name field, this is where you enter the first part or all of the name that you're searching for. Now you have a choice of selecting active or inactive. If you select inactive, you'll only be searching for companies that are terminated here in Arizona. And you always want to leave the entity type all, so it'll search for all types of entities. So let's do a search for Smith Assets LLC. I'm going to click on the search icon, and that takes us to the search results page, and there it is right there with the first one. So let's click on it. Now what you'll see is the information on file with the Corporation Commission for Smith Assets LLC. Here you can see the file number, and you can also see the company's domestic address. Under the statutory agent information, you can see the name of the person or company that's the statutory agent. You can also see the address of the statutory agent. In the additional entity information field, you can see the date that the company was created. The word incorporation date includes the date that LLCs were formed. And down below under member and manager information, you can see the name of all the managers and the name and address of all the members. So notice that the information in the address field indicates the address of the member or the manager. If you scroll further down, you can see under the scanned documents that there's certain documents that have been scanned and are made available to viewers. So for example, under Articles of Organization, just to the left, there's an icon. If I click on it, it's going to take me to a page that shows the Articles of Organization that were actually filed with the Corporation Commission to create this company. So also, going back to the top, I want to show you that if you want to check the status of a company, you can click on the Check Corporate Status icon, and then the system is going to tell you the company's in good standing or it's not. And if it is in good standing and you want to get a certificate of good standing, just click on the Print Certificate icon, and it's going to take you to a page where it tells you that it's going to cost you either $10 or $45, depending on whether you wanted an expedited processing of the certificate of good standing. If you have any questions about forming or operating an Arizona LLC, Call me or my son. We've formed over 5,800 Arizona LLCs, and we don't charge to answer questions about LLCs or corporations. I'm Rick, the father, and you can see my contact info on the screen. You can also call my son Ricky. He's an ASU Law School grad licensed to practice law in Arizona and in California. Now, if you want to hire us to form an LLC, we have 3 different packages: the bronze, silver, and gold. First thing is to call myself or my son, get your questions answered. Then if you want to compare the contents of our 3 packages, go to KEYTLaw.com/packages. And when you're ready to hire us to form your company, just complete our online questionnaire at KEYTLaw.com/AZLLCLAW/LLCQ, or you can call Ricky or myself and give us your information over the phone. Now, we also prepare operating agreements for Arizona and California LLCs. So the first step is to get your questions answered by calling one of us. When you are ready to go, you can complete our online operating agreement questionnaire at KEYTLaw.com/OA/Q. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with your friends and hit the like button below, and be sure to subscribe because we make new informational videos every week. If you have any questions or would like a video on a topic, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.